to Gemini Tales.
Hi, I'm Veronica. 80% of kids today don't move enough due to passive screen time. To solve this, I built Gemini Tales for the Creative Storyteller category. It's an AI storyteller that sees, hears, and plays. We are moving beyond the text box to create a story that literally doesn't move until the child does.
Let the colors burst and bloom across.
Before the adventure begins, we customize Puck, our storyteller. I can generate his appearance using a text prompt, or upload a photo to do a multimodal likeness transfer, turning the child into a fairy tale character. Then, we use VO 3.1 to generate a cinematic animation, bringing the character to life. Let's jump into live mode. Using the Gemini Live API, the connection is instant. Puck wakes up, hears me, and uses vision to see my environment and what I'm wearing. To start, I show the magic sign and say the magic words. Notice how Puck responds. This is the power of native interleaved output. Puck acts as a creative director, seamlessly weaving his voice narration with tool calls that generate watercolor illustrations of the current scene on the fly. When the story pauses, Puck challenges the child to move. He uses vision at 1 frame per second to visually verify the physical action. There is no voice-only cheat. Once he sees the movement, he awards an achievement badge, and the story continues.
Hello there! What's your name, little explorer? Go ahead and turn on the magic mirror so I can see your face.
Hi, I'm Hermione Granger.
Hello, Hermione. I see you're wearing a lovely yellow dress at the playground. Are you ready to begin our tale? Show me the magic sign. Put 2 fingers up towards the mirror and say, "Tale begins."
Tale begins.
Perfect! The magic is pulsing. Tale begins.
For a deeper narrative, we have agent mode. Behind the scenes, my Google ADK backend wakes up a pipeline of agents: a researcher, a judge for safety, and a storysmith. They pre-generate a safe, rich context using the agent-to-agent protocol before waking Puck up to narrate it. The UI also includes a chat log for manual input fallback, and a debug console where we can monitor the raw bidirectional WebSocket stream and ADK events in real time.
I have the magic story. Let's begin.
Hello there. Are you ready for the magic mirror today? What is your name? And could you please turn on the camera so I can see you?
Under the hood, this is a fully containerized microservice architecture. All 5 ADK agents and the Fast API proxy are deployed and running smoothly on Google Cloud Run. You can find the automated deployment scripts and the architecture diagram in my public GitHub repo. Thank you for watching, and let's keep moving.